In this video, I discuss the power loss in a flow control circuit, means power loss in a hydraulic circuit. So first we make the list of the various type of loss and then understand in the details. The following are the different reasons for power loss in hydraulic circuit. First, due to friction in pipe. Second, due to leakage. Due to head loss in pipe fittings. Due to idle running. And due to idle periods. So these are the various 5 losses. Okay, out of these 5, due to the friction is one of the major losses. Okay, so this theory you already study in a fluid mechanics subject. Okay, that is a major loss and minor loss in a pipe. So major loss is due to the frictions and another one is the minor losses. So in a fluid mechanics subject you also study due to the sudden contractions, due to the sudden expansions, okay, due to the sudden enlargement. So these are the various losses. So first we understand due to the friction in a pipe. Head loss due to friction is given by Darcy equations. Okay, and you already derived the Darcy equation in a fluid mechanics. What is the Darcy equation? That is HF. HF means head loss due to the friction. H means head and F means friction is equal to 4FLV square by 2GT. Power loss due to friction is equal to W into Q into HF. So first we need to find out the head loss due to frictions, then after we are able to find out the power loss due to frictions. Okay, so power loss due to friction is equal to some small w into Q into HF. What is small w? It is a specific weight of oil. Q is equal to rate of flow of oils and HF means head loss due to frictions. Second one is the due to the leakage. Due to external and internal leakage of oil, there will be a power loss. Leakage should be minimized as far as possible. We know that for increasing the pressure of oil in hydraulic systems or increasing the pressure of air or a gas in a pneumatic systems, it's requires some power. Okay, in hydraulic system we use the pump, in pneumatic system we use the compressors. Okay, so this compression process of a fluid is require some power, and suppose that any leakage is occur, then there is a loss of fluids, and loss of fluid means that is a loss of power. Now before moving it, I request to like the video and subscribe my channel for watching the more video related to the OHP and other subject of the mechanical engineering. For more video, various link is provided in descriptions. Various playlists is provided in a card. Card mean on the top right screen of your mobile or laptop. You see the eye symbols. For other subject, I request to visit the playlist. Due to the pipe fitting. So number of pipe fitting should be minimized as far as possible while designing a hydraulic circuit. Means we need to minimize the number of joints. Okay, so we need to use the continuous pipes. That means pipe fitting is reduced, or we need to minimize the various turns. Turn means sometimes we use the elbow for the 90 degree. Sometimes we need to move at the 45. So these are the various pipe fittings. Okay, so we need to minimize as far as possible. Head loss occur in each fitting, such as the enlargement, contraction, bend means that is the elbow. We are putting the number of valves. So these are the various pipe fitting losses. Due to the idle running, when it is not required, the machine shall be switched off and idle running shall be avoided. So sometimes we are not required output of the actuators, but we are supplying oils to the actuators by using the different tandem position centers and by using the different mid positions. Okay, so during the idle time, suppose the pump is working, then our power loss is increased. So during the idling, we need to stop the systems. Due to idle period. Idle period is that time duration during which the high pressure oil is going back to the reservoir through the pressure relief valve. During idle period, the actuators are not working and hence oil cannot flow to the actuators. Means idle period means pump is working but oil is not supplied to the actuators, and oil is again supplied to the reservoirs through the pressure relief valves. So it increase the loss of power because oil is consumed the lots of power for increasing in pressure in a pump, and then after it's go to the pressure relief valve and directly supplied to reservoir. That means it is a loss of power during the idling. Continuous flow of large quantity of high pressure oil through the relief valve back to the reservoir cause a huge amount of power loss and overheating of the oils. We know that when the oil is passed from the pressure relief valve, it's a overheating of the oil is going on. Power consumption during idle PDL is totally big loss. This loss can be reduced by making the oil to flow back to the reservoir at the less pressures during the idle periods by using the unloading valves and accumulators. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channels and share with your friend.